In the middle of Shandong Peninsula, the south of Bohai Sea, Laizhou Bay, this is a place being called the countryside of Chinese vegetable. It is Shouguang City in Shandong Province. With total area of 2,072 kilometers square, 30 kilometers coastline, around 10 billion cubic meters brine reserves underground. It is one of the three major crude salt production areas in China. The superior geographical position, rich natural resources, made an important enterprises in crude salt chemical industry. It is Gulf Resources Incorporation. Gulf Resources Incorporation is a public company listed on Nasdaq Stock Exchange market with the trading ticker GURE, registered in Delaware State, US. Gulf Resources conducts its operations through two wholly owned China subsidiaries. They are Shouguang City Haoyuan Chemical Company Limited and Shouguang Yuxin Chemical Industry Corporation Limited. The boundless saline and alkaline land at the north side of Shouguang City are called barren land, but Haoyuan Chemical took the local brine resources as its advantage to develop treasury from the barren land and become a large-scale bromine salt cogeneration enterprise with industrial bromine and industrial salt production and sales based on the brine mining. Haoyuan Chemical has registered capital of RMB 300 million yuan. Over the years, it relied on technical innovation, continuously deepened the quality management, increased market development strength, become the industrial leader. Bromine is an important product of salt chemical industry, the important raw material of chemical industry, main branch of marine chemical industry, from which can derive a variety of inorganic bromide, bromated, and brominated organic compounds. All these have special values in the national economy and development of science and technology, being penetrated into all fields and industries, along with our country's leading industry development. At present, the bromine series has more than 200 kinds of products in refrigeration, oil drilling, medicine, pesticides, fire extinction, flame retardants, sterilization, and other areas have a large number of demand. Crude salt is a kind of basic chemical raw material, the major raw material for production of industry soda ash, which been titled as chemical mother, being widely used in the production of various chemical products. At the same time, crude salt is also the major raw material for table salt, which is a kind of seasoning human cannot live without. Bromine production process is very complicated. First, need to dig a well, pumping underground brine through the building, aqueduct delivery to the brine reservoir. Then pump the brine from reservoir to the production plant. After acidification, oxidation, blowout, absorption, distillation process, complete the bromine extraction process. The waste brine after extraction of bromine be sent into the surrounding crude salt field for drying of crude salt. The reuse of wasted brine achieves purpose for comprehensive utilization of resources. Every bromine factory consists of several components: large mining area for brine extraction, the wells for brine extraction, aqueduct for transfer brine into the factory, reservoir for brine storage, the machinery for bromine extraction and production, the aqueduct to transfer wasted brine from factory into crude salt field, large area of wastewater evaporation ponds, large area of salt crystallization ponds, special high and low voltage power supply line, special plant road for every factory. We normally call the special power supply line brine extraction wells, aqueduct for brine transfer into factory, the reservoir for brine storage called the mining area, the extraction and production of bromine factory called the production area, the aqueduct to transfer waste brine from factory into crude salt field, wastewater evaporation ponds, salt crystallization ponds called the crude salt field. There are long walls like big dragons surrounding each factory areas. And at the gate of each area, the characters of bromine production factory on the sign is very eye-catching. And for other mining and crude salt field areas, each factory has around hundreds to thousands of wells extracting the brine. The distance between each well is about 100 meters long. Tens to thousands kilometers brine transfer aqueducts along the area. Several million square meters crude salt fields. Currently, Haoyang Chemical has 9 bromine factories, which is the biggest bromine producer in China. Among the 9 factories, bromine factories 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, and 9 had their individual melting crude salt field for a total of more than 20 kilometers squares. In order to expand our production chain, Haoyang Chemical acquired Yixing Chemical, who has 4 advanced production lines, including the oil and gas exploration chemicals, paper-making chemicals, intermediates for agriculture chemicals, and the building for new products research and development and quality control. Yixing Chemical majorly produce and sell those products related to bromine as discussed early and etc. It is the first-class supplier to CNPC, Sinopec, and some large paper-making companies in China. Haoyang Chemical and Yixing Chemical intensely bound together by the thorough expanded production chain linked with each other, and form huge magnetic effects and with the interconnected net, utilizing the recycling resources in ecological sea chemical industry. Recently, the construction of Shandong Peninsula Special Economic Zone has become the national strategy, and the consensus has been reached that profits should be made from the sea resources and technology. Located in the center of Shandong Peninsula, Gulf Resources grasp this very rare chance for development, with our innovation spirit striving to figuratively build the marvelous aircraft carrier in crude salt chemical industry.